everyone! Welcome to another episode of Usapang Bahay. I'm Architect Aki, one of the interior designer here at Excellent Home Decor. Today's episode is all about elevating your space through your walls. Yes, pati pader may eksena na ngayon sa design world. Ang tanong, paano ko mapapaganda ang walls ko na stylish, modern, and functional? Ang sagot, wall claddings. Wall solutions na hindi lang pang display, may functions din. Ang wall claddings ay decorative and protective covering na nilalagay sa walls para maging mas visually appealing, durable, and unique sa space mo. Hindi na lang tayo basta pintura o wallpapers. Ngayon, design-forward materials na ang uso. Kung gusto mo ng soft, cozy, and elegant look, fabric wall claddings are perfect. Usually weave type and upholstered. Perfect to sa inyong bedroom, home theaters, or accent walls. Bukod sa style, fabric wall claddings also help with soundproofing and add a luxurious texture sa room mo. Parang hotel feel sa sariling bahay. Classic but never boring. Wallpapers is still a top choice for many. With thousands of designs to choose from minimalist to floral, geometric, or textured, talagang instantly mong matatransform ang any rooms without major constructions. Now, if you're into modern and sleek design, wood plastic composite, or yung tinatawag nating WPC is for you. Usually fluted or grooved in design. WPC panels add depth and linear aesthetics to walls. Diba? Aesthetic. WPC panels are termite and moisture resistant. Perfect for living rooms, foyers, or even ceilings. Eco-friendly and durable ang mga to, making them a top choice for modern homes. Ang kagandahan ng wall claddings ay hindi lang to pampaganda lang. They also help protect your walls, enhance acoustics, and elevate the overall feels of your space. At dito sa Excellent Home Decor, we make sure na ang design ay bagay sa lifestyle mo. Kaya naman, worry-free ka sa buong process. O diba? Gusto mo rin ba ng ganyan sa bahay mo? I-level up ang walls ng bahay mo? Wall claddings are a trend that you shouldn't miss. Stylish, functional, at swak sa kahit anong design taste. Message us today on our Facebook and let's design a space that's not just beautiful but functional too. Tune in again next week para sa ating bagong episode ng Usapang Bahay. Tara, tuloy po kayo!